Okay, in this video I'm going to show you how to fly a mission using your GPS. First thing to do is hook up a switch on your radio to channel 5. Okay, notice when I flip the switch I get a signal there. Then you can do, in flight modes, you can set the high state of the switch to auto mode. This is important because you can get yourself into auto mode with a flip of a switch, and you can get yourself back out if something goes wrong and take control. Very important that you can take control back. Turns out if you go into flight data and go into auto mode this way, it's a lot harder to get out of auto mode if something goes wrong. So it's safer to use a switch. Okay, let's go to the flight planner. Click your home location, assuming you have a GPS lock. Move that to where you want it, and then just left click on the map. And wherever you left click, those will be your waypoints for your mission. The little white circle is the waypoint radius. If we open up the waypoints, we can see the default waypoint radius of 5 meters. That's not too bad. If you make it too tight, like 2 meters, the quadricopter could spend quite a bit of time trying to find those waypoints. So 5 is nice and forgiving. And then make sure after the third waypoint here, make sure you have one more waypoint for landing. If you don't do that, it turns out it won't fly back home either. So waypoint 4, after it flies back home, it'll land. Okay, we're ready to write that to the quadricopter and give it a shot. One more thing, just in case something does go wrong during the flying of a mission, it's a great idea to hook up channel 7 to RTL, which means return to landing. So if something goes wrong, flip that switch and your quad will be safely back home. Okay, let's take off manually and fly to the home location for the start of the mission before we flip the switch. Okay, now we're ready. And off it goes. Waypoint 1. Waypoint 2. Waypoint 3. And now it's landing. You can take over to do a softer landing if you want. You can also configure the landing speed. But that's it. That's flying a mission. Pretty simple and pretty fun.